Kit Tang Garden. Looking at the expansion, the Golden Age. Let's see what's inside of this one. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. First things first, you got the little instruction book. You got the looks like this adds scenarios to playing Tang Garden. Okay, so there's a special scenario die you can roll, and then you can play, adding certain characters and certain tokens to the gameplay. So that sounds like a lot of fun. And then you add more characters. Okay, so let's actually look inside here first. We got more tokens.
So all the different elements.
Yep. So you got more there. And we got more landscapes.
Wow,
I like that one.
Whoa.
See the white tiger with the dragon?
tiger with the dragon. That's very nice. The horses.
Okay. Horses and backers. Okay. Oh, look, there you have the butterflies and the flowers, the ducks for some reason. Scenario die. And then you got the characters. So we're adding
Emissary. That's an
Emissary?
officer. Yeah.
Gardener.
What's that?
Geomancer.
Geomancer. Can I read it? Sorry.
Oh my god, I get it again.
Literate.
How is that?
Literate.
Literate.
Yeah. It's hard to read sideways.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Musician.
There you go. Oh, that's
That's
nice.
beautiful.
Nobleman.
That's a nobleman. Tall priest. Oh, the tallest priest.
Oh, interesting. And the princess. And this is the one
girl.
that's adding the butterflies.
Oh, that's a butterfly.
Of course, I
lover.
see the tokens. It could be. I could be totally wrong too. Okay, and what else next? We got
Got the butterfly.
oh, talking about the butterflies. There you go. See.
That's
So yeah, it's like bonuses and all that stuff. I don't know exactly what it is. Oh, it looks like a lantern. Okay, so we got butterflies,
We have cute ducklings.
and ducks.
Yay.
Ooh, nice duck. Water element. Okay. What else we have here?
We got bonsai tree.
Ooh. The artwork is definitely super. Wow, there's a lot of things they can do. Okay. Okay, come on.
What's his name? Looks like a little lotus flower pond.
Oh, okay. So it's basically a fountain. Come on.
Sensei vase. Oh, sorry. There you go.
Oh, okay, that's pretty.
It's for sensei.
And then I believe the tokens are probably in here somewhere.
So those are characters. The people. Special characters.
This is the miniatures for the characters. You're definitely gonna have to color them to make them pop out. It doesn't look like
How you pictures.
how they were sort of showing it in the. It's more detailed. I'm guessing they had to go smaller.
To fit, yeah?
Yeah, than the pavilion and stuff.
But you're an artist, you can paint them.
And then let's see, we got these.
That's it. The base, yeah? That's about it.
Don't they have tokens? Oh, silly. That's the tokens.
Tokens, yeah.
Okay, so that's Tang Garden, the Golden Age.